I just made $43,029.77 in profit, and I didn't need any traffic at all to pull this off, nor did I have to put in any work. Don't believe me? Take a good look at this screenshot. Yes, your eyes aren't fooling you. That's over $43,000 sitting in one of my online accounts. This can be deposited to my bank account at any moment. And as I was saying earlier, I didn't need any traffic whatsoever to make this money. Yep, zero traffic. This means I don't have to mess around with headaches like solo ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, SEO, Bing, or any other traffic source. Now, how would you like to do the same? How would you like to see how we made over $43,000 without the need of any kind of traffic? If you answered yes, then you're going to love what we have in store for you today. See, we've discovered a glitch inside of a $560 billion company, and we've figured out how to exploit it, which allows us to receive $50 to $100 every 30 minutes over and over like clockwork. It's the closest thing to printing money, but it's entirely legal. And here's the best part about this all. We get paid on autopilot because our automated system does the work for us. It's just like a Tesla, but instead of driving itself, this pays us money. While I'm eating dinner, while I'm spending time with my family, heck, even while I'm sleeping. This is all thanks to the world's first zero-traffic income system, Elevate. Elevate is a one-click system that lets us auto-print $50 to $100 every 30 minutes without any traffic, without experience, without waiting, and without hard work. Here's how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Purchase. Click any of the buy buttons right now to get Elevate at the lowest price. Hurry, the price is rising. Step 2. Activate. Create your first Elevate campaign and then activate the auto print technology to exploit this $560 billion glitch. All it takes is just one click. And step 3, enjoy. We are making thousands of dollars in profits without the need of any traffic whatsoever. This is so easy, a child could do it. Sound like something you could do? Then that's one more reason you need Elevate. If you're tired of logging into your earnings accounts only to see zero profits, then this is your chance to have your breakthrough. Now, I'm guessing you're probably wondering right now, how much will Elevate cost me? Is it going to be expensive? Well, Elevate was originally reserved for our high-paying coaching students who invested a minimum of $2,997. But to celebrate going public, we're going to sell this at a price anyone can afford. Not $2,997, not $997, not $97, not even $27. Just a one-time investment equivalent to a cheap t-shirt grants you full access to Snappy. That's not much to ask for a system that's backed by years of results. And most importantly, it's dead easy to use. You won't find anything else out there like this. But there is a catch. This discount will only be available to the early bird users of Snappy. Frankly, we don't want tire kickers in our community. We want people who take action quickly, because those are people who we can help succeed. With that being said, if you want to access Elevate, if you want to use the same system that lets us auto-print $50 to $100 every single 30 minutes, then don't wait. You've been warned. Get Elevate as fast as you can before we close our doors for good. After all, what's the risk? You're backed by our 365-day money-back guarantee. If Elevate doesn't work for you, we'll simply return your money. Heck, we'll even send you an extra $200 for wasting your time. There is no way for you to lose here, my friend. All you have to do is take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get your hands on Elevate before it's too late. I'll see you inside.
Hey guys, how does it sound to you to be able to get into your hands a one-click system able to auto-print you $50 to $100 minimum every 30 minutes? This is all about flipping and earning like never before. But we have developed a more proven, profit-making alternative, which will make you money in several ways at the same time. We took the flipping concept to a whole new level, and you will be shocked at what we did. Welcome to Elevate, the only software responsible for elevating your profits by delivering you highly profitable online properties no other app will, for sure. With only 3 simple to follow steps, you will be able to build top authority websites which you can sell for hundreds of dollars easily to businesses who desperately need them in this pandemic era. But we not only give you the power tools, but we also show you step by step, over our shoulder, how to profit huge with this easily and quickly, like no other place will do for you. Here in the Domain Finder, we've made it possible for you to access up to 4,582 authority domain names which are available for purchase as we speak. Yeah, guys, we have developed a code to analyze the top 1 million websites. We filter only those websites which have hundreds and even thousands of backlinks, which means authority. But on top of that, we only left you with the ones which are available for purchase for such a low price you won't find anywhere else online. Guys, I have found authority domains for less than $1 and ready to purchase right away. This is just crazy cheap. I can't show you these domains, guys, as this is a demo video. Only those who buy Elevate can access such a great source of gold. And by using your filters, you can even search for the perfect domain of your choice. If you want to take a look at only.com domains, well, you can do so and pick among 1,430 authority domains with hundreds of backlinks on them and ready for purchase at a price as low as $12. Guys, this is just nuts. And we are constantly updating this list so you can always have authority domains available for purchase in just seconds. Well, guys, that was all about the first click. Now that you have your awesome domain, well, it's time to build an authority site, right? Well, let's click on Website Builder. Elevate not only gives you an authority domain in just seconds, but also will install an authority website in just minutes with just one click. Here's the Website Builder. You only need to click on this button right here, fill out all this information here, which we will show you exactly where to get it from, and by clicking on Proceed, you will be installing a beautiful, professional, and ready-to-use pro multi-purpose WordPress theme, which you won't find anywhere else online for free. Yes, guys, I said pro multi-purpose WordPress theme. This is not a free WordPress theme you find inside WordPress and anywhere online. This is a professional and premium quality WordPress theme which would cost you almost 4 times more for what you paid to access Elevate. And what's even cooler, you are able to install it not only for yourself, but for your clients too, and charge hundreds of dollars for it. These premium themes come with up to 10 beautiful, professional, and easy to manage, ready to install business websites. And on top of that, I will even give you my own ready to plug digital marketing agency website so you can use it to make even more money by using it yourself or selling it to someone else. And I will even coach you step by step how to profit from it. Huge. Well, what about the third click? Here with Elevate, we decided to build something out of this world. The Ultra Poster you see here will let you sell your authority website in several platforms at the same time, such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Reddit, Blogger, and WordPress by using different high-converting formats, which are text, link, image, HTML, and video. But if you want to sell these websites like a pro, you just turn to sites like Flippa.com. Flippa.com is the #1 marketplace to buy online businesses, become an acquisition entrepreneur, and invest in digital real estate. Look at the types of digital marketing agency websites you will be able to create with Elevate with just a few clicks of your mouse, and we will even coach you how to do it. Just take a look at these 2 super sellers, how they are selling these types of websites for a few $100s. And if we take a look at this website right here, selling for almost $500, you can take a look at its design, and let me tell you guys, Elevate can install this kind of site for you in a few simple steps. You will see. Remember, every business out there is desperate to own an authority website of this kind, and Elevate has made it possible for you that with only 3 clicks, you are able to do it so quick and easy that no other app would ever do. Guys, this is your chance. This is your opportunity to get into your hands the one-click system able to auto-print you not only $50 or $100, but hundreds of dollars per authority website every 30 minutes. Get to work before your competitors do.